Hello dear Capricorns, welcome back to my channel and this is your March 2nd week exclusive love reading starting from March 10th to the 16th. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or complicated marriage, this reading is for you. If your sun, moon or rising any sign is Capricorn. So let's start. If you're looking for a career or business or money related reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. Click on videos, go and look for March monthly reading. Okay. So let's see, let me show you all the cards. You've got the One of Moons and the Hierophant. And you've also got the Ten of Spheres and the Five of Suns. So guys, first and foremost, I do see a new beginning for you. Okay, now this new beginning can be a new person coming into your life and you getting into a relationship, like a relationship. It can be a hope coming back into your life where you were in a no contact situation and finally you guys are patching up. So reconciliation is also happening. And I also see you guys getting married as well. If not actual marriage is happening in the second week of March, you would be doing some sort of traditional ceremony like roka, engagement, havan, any sort of function at homes. Because I do see a traditional ceremony happening in the love life, right? So you could be celebrating something, going to the temple. So it's a beautiful card. I must tell you, hope is coming back, reconciliation is happening, new beginning is happening. Basically, if whatever you wished for is happening, right? So if you want marriage, marriage is happening. If you want a relationship, relationship is happening. If you wanted a reconciliation, reconciliation is happening. So Capricorns is going to be a beautiful week for you. Now coming to the next two cards, I do see that your life has been very stagnant and a lot of you will be like, ma'am, nothing is happening. How are you even saying this? So I do see that things will suddenly change for you. You can see this rocket. So things will change at a rocket speed for you. That means that things will move so fast that you will not even realize that, oh my god, I was just single till yesterday and now I'm already like engaged or something, right? I already have a partner, I already have a future. So things will be changing very fast for you. Also, if you guys were hoping for a pregnancy related news will also be there. So again, some sort of ceremony will be happening. If you were in a situation where your partner had uh, a lot of options, like multiple options. So for singles, if you were looking out for marriage proposals and you know that your partner is talking to multiple people, and if you are already married, you know that there is a lot of interference in a relationship where you're not getting enough time and attention from your spouse. All those things will be going away too, because I do see your partner finally choosing you. I do see the rivalry, the jealousy, everything is going away and you coming out as successful. So it's going to be beautiful, Capricorn. So if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you would like to book any reading, you can either DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, or you can email me as well at arthasharma842@gmail.com. Alright, any sort of reading, whether that's a no contact reading, whether that's a career reading, or you would like to book any rituals, I do that as well. So let me know and take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye bye.